In front of me is SONY Xperia X Performance, and let me show you how to add photo to a contact on the following device. So at first let's open contacts and then pick the contact that you would like to change this profile picture to. Tap on edit icon and select camera. And here you can either take a photo if someone is staying right in front of you, or you can choose something from your album. So if you click on choose photo from album, you can pick either images or photos. Let me go with photos. And now you can pick one from your own photos. And if you'd like to grab a photo if someone's staying right in front of you, just open the camera and then you can grab a photo of the person that is staying right in front of you. Then you can complete the action using photos or crop feature. I will go with crop feature. And here you can smoothly customize the picture. You can take X only, tap on save, and that's it. Just click on save again. As you can see from now on, this recently grabbed picture is assigned to hard reset contact. So this is it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.